I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon, 10 degrees warmer than normal in the low to mid-50s. Tomorrow through Valentine's Day, a little warmer with highs in the mid-50s to the low 60s. As low pressure tracks across the southern plains, occasional rain is possible late tomorrow night through Saturday. Slightly higher chances favor far southern Nebraska and northern Kansas. Any rain amounts expected to range from a trace to a tenth of an inch. A ridge of high pressure builds eastward onto the plains Sunday through early next week for dry weather and a warming trend. Highs top out in the low to mid-60s Sunday and the mid-60s to around 70 President's Day and Tuesday. In the long-term forecast, warmer than normal temperatures still remain likely Monday through February 24th for Nebraska, Kansas, and the eastern two-thirds of the U.S. By February 24th in central Nebraska, daytime highs are typically in the low to mid-40s with overnight lows on average right around 20. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation expected to be mostly near normal to slightly above normal Monday through February 24th. Areas along and south of I-70 more likely to be drier than normal early next week. Key weather factors driving the markets include rising temperatures in the U.S., stormy weather favoring the southern U.S., rain continuing in Argentina, and reduced rain across central Brazil. Storminess organizes across the southern U.S. starting Friday from Arizona to the southern half of the plains. Southern precipitation should become heavier and spread eastward during the weekend, with totals reaching 1 to 3 inches or more from the southern plains to the southern half of the Atlantic coast. Dry weather prevails the next 5 days from the northern half of the plains into the upper Great Lakes. Mild weather holds nearly nationwide for the next 5 days, with any lingering chilly weather limited to the Great Lakes and Northeast. A storm moving through the western U.S. late this weekend tracks across the north central U.S. the middle of next week. Another storm is possible in the U.S. later next week or next weekend. Western U.S. temperatures are cool to mild, while the central and east stay warmer than normal. Along the Mississippi River, more active weather to increase water levels permanently for transportation starts this week with scattered rain and additional rain chances next week. Central and northern Argentina see higher chances for multiple rounds of rain through the weekend, while less rain is expected in the southern areas that are drier. While soil moisture improvements are likely after a dry period in Argentina, the rains are likely too late for corn and soybeans in the advanced stages. In central Brazil, heavier rain becomes lighter this weekend into early next week, all at a time when more rain is needed for the upcoming second crop corn. Across the Black Sea region, the risk of wheat winter kill dissipates later this week, with warmer temperatures and more precipitation providing a protective snow cover. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.